Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel GK Tech Inside. I am Gyan. Today we will see some useful Excel functions and formulas. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay tuned updated on the latest content. Let's get started. First one, we will see what index function does. So this is my table, and let's say if I want to fetch the value right based on this table or some criteria, I can do with the index function. So how it works, press equal index, select your entire array here, or in this case you can select an array, let's say product name, and I want to fetch a value from row number, let's say 2, and round bracket close. I can pull the value like this. So this is my row number 1 2, and it return the value here. Let's say if I go ahead and enter 3, it will return this value here. Let's see how it fetches the column values. Go ahead and type equal, type index, select an array here, and then press row, press 1, so it fetches the entire column here. So that is how the index function works. Now let's see how match function works. Type equal, type match, round bracket open, your lookup value will be your criteria cell, comma, lookup array. In this case I would select this lookup array, and then I would go for exact match, round bracket close. Now since I haven't entered any value in the criteria, it returns NA. So let's go ahead and type values here. Mars. So it will say Mars is there in row number 5. So if I count here, right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Similarly, if I type Cadbury, it will return it is in the row number 2. Now let's see how we can combine the index and match function. So let's say I will type index, your array. You can select an array here. So let's say in this case I select an entire array. Now row number would be, let's say I want to find out a row number, right? So we'll use a match function here. What will be my lookup value? Product name. What will be my lookup array in this particular region, comma, exact match, round bracket close, comma. Now you want to return a manufacturer name, right? So in this case, first 1 2 3, it's in the third column, so you will type 3 and round bracket close and enter. Now let's type a product name over here and let's see what it comes. We'll type Mars here, it will return the manufacturer name of Mars from this. Similarly, if I type Cadbury, it will return the value as Mondelez International here. Let's return an entire row, how it works, right? Now we just return one column value here. Now if I want to return an entire row based on some criteria, how it works, let's go ahead and type index, select an array. Now here it says row number, match, your lookup value is this, where you will find out your lookup array and this product name, and then match type, exact match, round bracket close, and then instead of selecting a column number, you just type comma and just leave it blank and close the round bracket and press enter. Now since we didn't enter any value here, it returns any value. Let's find out a value here. Let's type a value, Mars. You will see it has written a value entire row. Go ahead and add Cadbury, it will return a Cadbury value here. So this is how we can use index and match function together based on some criteria. Even XLOOKUP and VLOOKUP can't do this. This is very useful function when you want to apply multiple criteria and fetch the values. That concludes today's session. If you have any feedback or suggestions, please feel free to share them in the comment sections below. Thank you for tuning in the video, and I look forward to see you in the next one. Keep learning and keep growing. Thank you.